Dear level 2 students, how are you all doing? Remember in the last video we started with the unit 12 time. What are the things we learned? We learned about the calendar. A calendar is a chart which tells us about day, date, year, month, etc. We also know about the day and night. Together they are 24 hours. And how to write AM and PM. So what is AM? The time from midnight in the night 12 o'clock till noon, midday. Daytime 12 o'clock, that is AM. Then afternoon, after 12 o'clock in the day, afternoon, evening, etc. till night, once again midnight is PM. So whatever is before midday, noon is AM. What is afternoon is PM. We have learned this and done some exercises also. Today let's learn about clocks. Yes, clock or watch. What is a clock? Clock is a device that shows us time. That tells us time. We can see the time and know what time it is. It is morning or evening. How much time has gone by seeing a clock. So clock is very important for all of us to do things according to time, to go to school, to watch our favorite program on TV, to sleep, everything. So there are two types of clocks. You have seen different types of clocks in your house, right? So mainly they are of two types. One is the analog clock, the other one is the digital clock. The analog clock has two hands and numbers 1, 2, 3 till 12 written on its face, okay? And the digital clock it tells the direct time, exact time it will tell the number itself. Okay, that is the difference between analog and digital clock. So the analog clock has two hands, right? One is the short hand or the hour hand. The other one is the long hand or the minute hand. So the short hand tells what hour it is and the long hand tells the minutes which has gone in that hour. Suppose we are telling 2:30. Time is 2:30 means 2 is hour hand and 30 is minutes hand. Okay. Now see how to read the time. Let's learn about it. You have to see the short hand and the long hand. So whatever number is near the short hand, that is the hour. See here it is near 4. So the hour is 4. So first you have to tell 4. And then you have to tell how many minutes have passed. So how will you tell the minutes? So it will always start from this 12. When the short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 12, that means the time is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. So whenever the long hand, the minute hand is in 12, that is then there is no minutes, it's 00. So it is 4 o'clock. Then slowly the minute hand will come to 1. Then what you have to do? You have to multiply 1 into 5. So 5 ones are how much? 5. Now you will tell the time as 4:05. Then when the minute hand comes to 2, you will do 2 into 5. Then the time will be 4:10. Similarly, when it comes to 3, it will be 4. 3 into 5 is 15. So 4:15. Like that, you have to tell the time. Hour hand, you have to tell as such. Minute hand, you have to multiply by 5 and tell the time. See in this picture, they have given the time for the minute hands near the numbers. Now see, clock is a circle, right? It has all the numbers. The full circle, when the minute hand slowly moves from one place and it finishes one full circle from 1 to 12, that means it is one full circle. That is whole. That is whole, 1. We learnt in fractions about whole and parts, right? So similarly, that is whole. Then that is 1 hour. The minute hand is completing one full round. That is 1 hour. Now divide that into 4 equal parts, the clock into 4 equal parts. And if the minute hand goes only till 3, okay, if the minute hand goes only till 3, shade that part and see what will be the fraction. It will be 1 divided by 4 equal parts, 1 by 4. Only one part is shaded. So that is quarter. So when we tell the time, we have to tell as quarter past 15. The clock is in 15. The minute's hand is in 3. So quarter past. Similarly, this is half past. Why? This blue color, the minute hand has come till 6. 30 minutes is finished. So it is half of the clock time. Halfway it has come. So then we will say half past. When will we say half past? When the minute hand is in 6 and 30 minutes have passed. That is half past. Now the third one is quarter to. So how will we tell quarter to? That is when the clock has finished one full circle and it has almost come to the full circle, 9 when it has come, then the time will be 9 into 5, 45 minutes. When the minute hand has crossed 45 minutes, then 3 parts are colored and only one part is not colored. One part is not colored. That is 1 quarter. So we will say there is still quarter time for the next hour. So this is how you tell quarter past, half past, quarter to and full. See, you will understand better. Here this is the picture for half past. 4, the shorthand is in 4, so 4. And what is the time? It is in 6, so 30. 6 5s are 30, so 4:30. And the minute hand has come from 12 to 6. 1 half it has covered. So that is shaded. So it is half past 4. 4:30 is also called half past 4. When you see the circle, it is divided into 2 equal halves. The minute hand has covered one part. Now see this. It is divided into 4 parts because the minute hand has come from 12 to 3. 3 means how much minutes? 3 into 5 is 15. So the time is 7:15. From 12 to 3 it has come. So what is that? If we shade that part where the minute hand has come, that is quarter. So quarter past 7. So whenever there is a clock, we have to see like this. From 12 to 6, when the clock moves from 12 to 6, then it is past. From 6 to 12, it is 2. Okay, so when it is at 12, we will always say o'clock. And when it moves to 1, we will say 5 minutes past o'clock. Suppose the time is 2 o'clock, then we will say 5 minutes past 2 o'clock, 5 minutes past, 10 minutes past 2, 15 minutes past 2 or quarter past 2, 20 minutes past 2, 25 minutes past 2, and then when it comes to 6, when the time is 2:30, then it becomes half past. Half past 2 or 2:30. See? When it comes to 9, we have to say it as quarter to 3. That means there are still 15 minutes more for the clock to come to 3 o'clock. So, quarter to 3 we have to say. Now see here, this is an analog clock. Yes, very good. It has 2 hands. What are the 2 hands? The short hand and the long hand. And there is one small, another thin hand which is ticking, tick, tick, tick. That is the seconds hand. Okay, we need not bother about that now. We will learn only about the short hand or the hour hand and the long hand or the minute hand. Okay. Now see what is the time. Where is this long hand? The long hand is in 12. The minutes hand is in 12 and the small hand it is in 10. Right? So when the long hand is in 12, it is the start of that hour. So we have to see the short hand. It is in 10, so it is 10 o'clock. We have to say it as 10 o'clock. And slowly this minute hand will move 1. So how will you read the time now? Minute hand, the number into 5. So it is 5 into 1, 10, 5. Then the minute hand moves to 2. So it is 5 into 2, 10. So the time is 10, 10. Minute hand moves to 3. 5 into 3, 15. Time is 10, 15 or quarter past 10. Then 10, 20. 5 into 4 is 20. 5 5s are 25. 10, 25. 10, 30. When it is at 6, it is 30. 10:30 or half past 10. So it is half an hour after this hour has started. In the 1 whole hour, half is over. Half of the portion fraction is over. 1 by 2 is over. So it is called half past 10 or 10:30. Now see, it is moving to 7. So 10:35, 8, 10:40 and 9, 10:45 or quarter to 11. Then when it comes to 10, it is 10:50. So see, when the minute hand moves, the small hand, the short hand also is moving by itself. Yes. So slowly it will come to 11 and then it will come to 12. Again it will come to 12. Now see the short hand, it came to 11. From 10 it has come to 11. So the time is 11 o'clock. Now the time became 11 o'clock. Now once again the minute hand will go like this, round, round, round. So this is how a clock works. So when the minute hand finishes one full round from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 hour will pass and the small hand will also move one number forward. This is how a clock works. So dear students, today we learnt about different types of clocks, short hand and long hand, and how to read time, etc. So keep practicing with the clock at your home. Try to read the time by yourself. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.